How to dissolve an LLC in California. To dissolve your California LLC, first settle all debts and distribute any remaining assets according to your operating agreement. Then, file the appropriate forms with the California Secretary of State. If all members agree to dissolve, just file the certificate of cancellation from LLC 4/7. If not, file both the certificate of dissolution from LLC 3 and LLC 4/7. You can file online via BizFile Online or by mail. After filing, notify any creditors and file your final tax return with the Franchise Tax Board. If your LLC is inactive with no assets, you might qualify for voluntary administrative dissolution through the FTV. Also, remember to cancel any license, permits, and out-of-state registrations if applicable.